wheelie, not a big one, but it was still a power wheelie. So guys, we are on the MT-09 SP. We've driven the MT-10 before, but now we are going to enjoy the MT-09, which has a quick shifter, which is nice. And I believe it is up and down with quick shifting. A bit clunky, but that is what I expected. The R6 had that as well. In the lower RPMs, that the quick shifter is a bit clunky. Ooh, whoa, fuck. Okay, it goes. It definitely goes. I'm not on the Sena with Tony. I'm not sure if he has it on. We'll find out. But yeah, we've got the Sena camera because my brother has the GoPro with him on his holiday. Fucking hell, this thing really wants to go. And this is in traction control mode 2, I believe. The more, oh my god, a VMAX, the more aggressive of the traction control modes, and in riding mode B. So we're taking it easy at first, and later when we get to the highway, we'll open her up a little bit. And yes, the weather really sucks. Umbrella could have been of use, but fucking hell, felt the traction control kick in a little bit. Holy shit, this thing goes. Oh, holy shit balls, this thing really goes. Okay, let's see what she does. Traction control kicking in massively. This front wheel, just like the MT-10, oh my god, this smells. But just like the MT-10, this front wheel just wants to pick up. Brakes don't feel too aggressive, which I believe it was either the MT-10 or another bike I drove that I thought that the brakes were very aggressive. But these don't seem too bad. But the traction control was kicking in a tad too early for me, and I'm surprised. Usually they tell you don't do wheelies, stuff like that, but they didn't. So are we going to abuse that the fact that they didn't tell us to? Seeing the weather, nah. If you're wondering, if you can even see, there's a little green light that says QS, which is for the quick shift. wheelie, not a big one, but it was still a power wheelie.